Hey everyone, welcome to BotBee. In this video, you'll learn how to send WhatsApp messages automatically using the BotBee API in a simple and easy way. First, go to your BotBee dashboard. Then, in the top right corner, select the API Developer option. After that, on the left side menu, click on Send Message. When a user sends a message to your business on WhatsApp, you have a 24-hour window to reply using a normal text message. This is called a session message. But once the 24-hour window is over, you can't send regular messages anymore. You must use a WhatsApp template message. Template messages are pre-approved and are used by businesses to initiate conversations. So, if you miss replying within 24 hours, don't worry. You can still reach the user using template messages. Also, for better delivery rates, always use utility messages for service-related communication. Avoid marketing messages, as they may not reach all users. Next, go to the Generate API Endpoints section and choose Send Template Message using Get or Post. Here, start by selecting your WhatsApp account. Then, select an approved message template. For this demo, I've already created a template. This template includes an image in the header and 2 quick reply buttons in the footer. Now, let's move ahead and see how to configure everything step by step. Now, for the quick reply buttons, you need to select a bot reply. When a user clicks on the button, it will automatically trigger that specific response. Before selecting it, make sure you have already created the bot reply. Only then it will appear in the list. After that, go ahead and select the header image. Now, select the Get API Endpoint option. This will automatically generate both GET and POST request URLs for your development. Copy the GET request URL and paste it into your browser. Everything is already pre-configured in the URL. You just need to enter the user's phone number. Hit Enter, and your message template will be sent instantly. Now, open the shared inbox to see the result. This is exactly how the message appears to the user. And when the user clicks on any button, it will trigger the bot reply you configured earlier. That's it for this video. Now you know how to send WhatsApp messages using the BotBee API. Thank you for watching.